Hi everyone, this is KG Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad, gawa natin itong reaction video. Ang Wish performance, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time na mag-wish si Thea and Jessica. Thea Ashley and Jessica Villarubin together with Chloe Redondo. Si Chloe kasi, matagal na to nag-wish na to before talaga. But I think the GMA singers or the members of the Divas of the Queendom sa All Out Sundays, which is of course my maring Jessica Villarubin and Thea Ashley, kakanta sila dito, and this is the first time, and I'm really excited to watch this. Thank you so much Sir Boise and kay Mars Eiley for sending the said clip sa akin so that magawa natin ito ng reaction video kasi hindi ako member ng The Divas of the Queendom na Facebook page. Ang dami nilang, alam mo yung nakompleto ko na yung 8 members na sagutin ang question nila na 8 members. Mali pang spelling ko ng Hana. May letter. Mali ang spelling ko ng Hana. Wala na, board na ako for today's video at ang hirap pakapasok noon. So, it won't take no longer. Alam, kumapit kayo, basahin nyo yung comment section. I-like nyo muna. I-like nyo muna ang video na to. Libre lang naman yung like. Bakit ayaw nyo mag-like? I-like nyo ang video na to muna. So, gagawa tayo ng reaction video. Ang kanilang kakantahin is The Stand Up for Love. Okay? Very, Destiny's Child. Destiny's Child, di ba? Stand Up for Love. So, I won't take any longer. Let's all watch this. A performance ni Chloe, Jessica, and Thea Ashley sa Wish. Nakasan natin. Yan na yung pinakamalakas ko dito. Ay, hello. Ilaban nyo yan, mga mare. Emotions. I love that. Sarap. Wait. Ang sarap ng pasok noon. This is one thing that I am promoting talaga or making a reaction video sa mga GM singers. Because mapa-English man or mapa-Tagalog, tapos kakantang isa, alam mo yung matataas yung boses nila, but the texture of their voices and the feelings, the way they convey and enunciate the song is kakaiba talaga. Like, gets niyo ba ako? It's really hard for me to explain kung ano talaga yung gusto kong sabihin because I am not a singer din naman talaga, pero I can appreciate music, should I say. Pero iba kasi ang pakiramdam talaga. Parang, alam mo yung kahit nakaupo sila, nakatayo sila, matataas yung kantang kinakanta nila, well executed lang. Gets niyo ba yun? Anyways, ulitin natin. Agad-agad. Try natin na walang pauses. Diba? Ang sarap ng flavor. Thea, iba din yung timbre ng boses ni Thea. Sana may harmonization dito for sure. Ay, it was Thea. No, it's Jessica. Sorry. Ganda ng bato. Ay, ito na. Dito. Debut nila to sa Wish. Galingan nyo, Thea. Wow. Alam mo, naiinis ako kay Thea kasi alam niya talaga yung soft side ko ng sa puso ko na gusto niyang ihi talaga pag kumakanta siya. Naiyak talaga ako. May concert silang tatlo if I'm not mistaken. Wow! Narinig niyo yun? Ay! Ganda nun. Very Julian yun, ha? Wow! Ay! Ay! Ito na yung harmonization nila. Glory Redondo. Wow! Ganda naman nun. Wow! 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 Ang ganda ng arrangement nila. Ang ganda ng arrangement nila. Wait. Nice. Yaya! Mali mong Jessica Villarubin. Wow! Yeah. Yung mga ad-libs, pakinggan nyo. Akala nyo, backtrack, no? Oh! Oh my God, I'm so proud of them. Nakapag-debut na sila sa Wish. Wow! Sabay-sabay. Juicy! Love it! Wow! Nakapag-debut. Wow! I love it! Jessica! I'm so proud of you, girls! Anyways, there you go guys. That is all for today's video. The members of the Divas of the Queendom and the Clash of finalists Chloe Redondo, Thea Asley from the Divas of the Queendom, and Jessica Villarubin. Wait lang, I should read the said email. Ay, wala na. Delete ko na yung email ni Sir Boise na meron silang concert, guys. Meron silang concert this May. May 9. Meron pa silang concert on May 9. So, yeah, that is our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!